Crude oil WTI and natural gas both have started the week on a very bullish note, specifically crude oil heading till towards 74.4 levels and has retraced since then. Remember 74.75 indeed is a very good resistance. At the same time, net gas too has tried to trade bullish. Now what to expect today, which position you should take in order to profit trading crude oil and net gas, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the live market analysis. Next update will be released before the US session. To watch that also, you can also keep yourself updated by joining our free Telegram channel. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Please, before leaving this video, please press the like button and support. Let's start. First, we look into crude oil WTI followed with net gas. Do watch till the end. Now look, crude on the hourly chart. First of all, you can see higher highs are done, resistance levels intact 74.4. Second support levels, you can see this. See, definitely 70 levels is a support level here, but at the same time first channel is this, and second, if you draw a parallel, is at around 70. So 72 and 70, these are the two support levels. Hence, if you see it trading below 72, you can sell, but then 71.5, 71 and then 70. Till 70, do not consider this as bearish. You can draw a parallel. You will find it is still trading in this bullish channel. The chances of it to hit till 71 is there, but till 71 and 70, do not consider this as bearish. Why the chances are there? See, the prices were divergent from the moving averages. The moving averages have crossed over. This is a bullish sign. Price is converged here and may converge here, and that is what is happening. If you look at the hourly chart, see preceding two candles on the hourly charts, higher lows, lower highs. Hence, once it breaks past 72.8 levels, you can again buy for 73.5, and then beyond that we can see 75 levels. Directional movement bullish, stochastic at bottom. MACD is crossing over for a sell entry and it is at a little higher levels, and hence for next couple of hours or so it can try to retrace a bit before looking forward to an upward journey. RSI was overbought, it has dropped since then. If you look at the 2-hour chart, on the 2-hour chart, similar is the story, and see the bearishness getting diminished here. It is started on a flat note. Once it stays below 72, then 71.5. Below that, the chances for it to hit 71 and 70. Now, see, this is just a retracement after the rise, and you can say also this might try to fill the gap here. So till 71 and 70, first of all, the probability for oil to drop till 71 and 70 is there, but it should not be still considered as bearish till the time it stays above 70-71 zone. See, the moving averages have crossed over. This is a bullish sign here. Directional movement bullish, stochastic has dropped. MACD is still bullish, it is trying to converge. RSI almost flat at the top. And if you look at the 3-hour chart, now see on the 3-hour charts, if you connect this is the channel which I am talking about. Below 72, little more bearishness may prevail. 71.5, 71 and then 70 levels. These are the three strong support levels on the 4-hour chart, 3-hour charts. Directional movement bullish, stochastic has dropped. MACD is in green trying to converge. RSI is almost near to top, near to overbought levels. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, same thing on the 4-hour charts. Moving averages started to converge, crossover for a buy entry. This is a bullish sign, and possibly it can try to, the prices may try to converge till here before looking forward to an upmove, and hence you can sell here. Now see, 72 indeed is a very good support, and only if you see it trading below 72, you can initiate a sell entry there. Rather, I will recommend you to sell here at 72.2, where you can expect 71.8, 71.5 as the first target, and then 71. So in between 72.2 and 72.8 levels, we are not going to take any position for today. Beyond 72.8, 73.2, 73.6, 74, 74.5, 75. Till 75, yes, it is going to fly high again. If it stays above 73.8 levels, certainly we can say that oil has again turned bullish and it is going to fly high. On the 4-hour charts, directional movement bullish, stochastic overbought. MACD is also trying to converge. It is still in green. RSI near to top, near to overbought zone. And if you look at the daily charts, now see, it is trading in this box. We had discussed this. Also, we had seen earlier, you can see when it was at 80-85 levels. Again, the same thing we had seen here too. It has given a breakout, but then the prices retraced again on the downside very sharply. And right now, if you look at it, tried to breach, it tried to close some of the orders which are pending there, and now it had started to resume the downward journey. Also, if you look at, this is the box within which it is trying to trade, and hence one has to remain very cautious and alert till 68. Now if you look at the moving averages, the resistance at 75 is strong, the support at 72 is very strong. Also, if you look at the moving averages, they have started to converge a bit, bullish sign it is. Directional movement willing to cross over for a buy entry. Stochastic is seen rising. MACD crossing over again, trading with divergence and bullishness. RSI looking upwards. Considering this, you can sell at 72.2 levels, but then 72, 71.8 and 71.53, very strong support levels till 71.5. Below that, 71 and 70 are the next targets. And till 71, at least for the day, 71 is going to prove out to be a major support level. And only below 71, I will expect 60% bearishness, 40% bullishness there. Till the time stays above 71, the chances of a reversal, the chances of a rise will exist strong. Remember, still we have 16 hours of trading left. The day is just started. It can show you good swings. At the same time, staying above 72.8, you can buy, but then 73.2, 73.6 and 74 levels, 3 levels it needs to break pass by. Beyond 74, we can expect it to hit 75 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at natural gas. And before we start with the net gas analysis, yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you can join my mentorship batch. The 22nd batch, in fact, is starting today. Only last few seats are left. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals group where trading as per the signals, definitely you can benefit. Reach out again for this more details on same. Now look at hourly charts on net gas. First of all, consolidation, the reversal, higher lows, reversal. But here you can see lower highs are seen. Lower highs, higher lows are signs of consolidation. At the same time, here you can see a reversal sign there. And hence, beyond 2.26, yes, you can just stay long. You can expect 2.28, 2.3 and beyond 2.3, it is going to remain bullish again for the complete week. I expect it to rise strongly. Direction movement moderately bullish. Stochastic near to top. MACD is in green, trying to converge here. It is still bullish. RSI also trading flat near to the overbought zone, near to the top there. Now look at the net gases movement since last multiple candles, and on the 2-hour charts, classical formation we had seen there. Now it is trying to look upwards. The moving averages have started to converge, and if it continues above 2.3, that is the level beyond which more bullishness may prevail, and you can see that as a reversal. Now also, if you look at the 2-hour charts, lower highs are seen here. If it stays above 2.26, certainly bullishness is confirmed, and you can expect 2.3, and beyond that, sky is the limit. Directional movement is still bearish. Stochastic near to overbought. MACD divergent and bullish, looking upwards. RSI almost flat. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, you see on the 3-hour chart, see higher lows are seen. There is a gap here to be filled. Lower highs are seen. Hence, in between 2.2 and 2.26, we are not going to take any trade today for net gas. Only bearishness is if you see it trading below 2.2 levels. Direction movement moderately bullish. Stochastic rising there. The MACD divergent and bullish. RSI is also looking upwards, all indicating slight bullishness. And if you look at the 4-hour, now on the 4-hour charts, 20 period moving average giving it a very good resistance. Lower highs are seen, and hence till 2.26 do not buy net, and till 2.2 do not sell net gas. Very clear. Directional movement moderately bullish. Stochastic rising. MACD divergent bullish, looking upwards. And see, this is happening after long bearish streak. It can continue to diverge. RSI coming out of it. And if you look at the daily charts, now see on the daily charts, I had mentioned multiple times earlier. I had been telling you all earlier also multiple times, till 2.06 I will not remain bearish in net gas. I will still remain bullish. I will expect it to rise, and this is a widening triangle. If it stays above 2.4 any point of time now, you can say that it has reversed and it is going to fly high, and hence one has to be watchful till 2.4 levels. Directional movement bearish, stochastic oversold, MACD bearish, trying to converge, RSI at bottom here. Considering this, you can buy here at 2.26 and sell at 2.2 levels. Till 2.2, do not consider for a sell entry. Below 2.2, 2.18, 2.15 and 2.1 levels are the next stronger support. If it stays below 2.1, you can say that it is extremely bearish, and below 2.06 it is going to fail. But I do not expect this to happen. I will still expect it to rise. Hence, beyond 2.26, you can buy and expect 2.3. First target, very, very good resistance, 2.32, 2.36, 2.4. The next resistance is, yes, these all are achievable. It can do wonders in a single day, in a single candle. Hence, take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship by Join My Signals channel. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.